Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in last video we will discuss why headless WordPress is required, and in today video we will discuss why set up the WordPress backend. So in this episode we will install plugins, property data, WP GraphQL setup, check WP GraphQL, and for what we build today, WordPress backend that can supply structured property data to Next.js frontend. So for WordPress setup, first we install WordPress locally or on hosting, log into WP admin, use WordPress as CMS backend, add property content model, create property custom post type, add structured custom field with ACA, prepare real property data, GraphQL ready, expose property data through my WP GraphQL, verify the API response, prepare the backend for Next.js. So for step 1, set up WordPress. So option A, install WordPress directly on your hosting. So for hosting, I just go at here subclose, and when you log into your cPanel, then you will got subclose or other part which your hosting provider provide. So you can click at there and then click on install, go to WordPress management and then click on install. So for that I am installing as Agra properties. Okay, and Agra properties at site name, site description also Agra property. We do not want multi-site etc. and putting name. So at here it is Mike. Password is also Mike @ something. Admin email is mr.sandeep. @gmail.com, and at here it is saying that select plugin. I do not want any plugin, so uninstall, uncheck, otherwise it install, and then click on install. So it is taking only 30 seconds, so it is installed. So one step is done, and now I am many people are there for React.js, Next.js etc. So I am setting on local also, so that you can also set up on local. So for setup local, first I creating one database. Okay, and then create. Now database created. Now let's go to wordpress.org and click on get WordPress. Now download. Now download start, and then go at here and it is downloaded. Extract here, and now change name, project which you want. Now cut from here and put in the www, where www, and inside HTML paste, and at here mm, okay, now go to localhost. Let's go. Also put chmod 777 because if we do not give, then it not create wp config directly. So chmod 777 minus r and then directory name. Yeah, it is done. Now database name is and put username, password, etc. and click on run the install. Site name, so Agra properties, and username is Mike, and password is your email is mr.sandeep@gmail.com and click on install. Now update password, click on login, remember me and click on login. Now we just set up WordPress and login, and then for this series WordPress will use primary as backend CMS. Now it is done. Now for step 2, install required plugin. So for install plugin, go to plugin section and add new plugin. And click on WP, click as search and go to WP, put WP GraphQL and it will search. As I am on Linux, so it can ask something like provide FTP etc. So I should provide FTP etc. for that. So for fix this issue, I also have one solution. So for fix that, we will define fs method direct in the WP config. So I am at here Agra properties. Okay, go to WP config and then below WP debug, paste fs method direct and click on reload. We can install these add-on via WP CLI also, but many people are from React.js and JavaScript field, so I am installing by GUI. So now click on install now. So it is now installing. Now I will just copy second plugin for that. Now click on activate. Now click on add new It takes some time, but no, W advanced custom field cannot load. Okay, ACF will be there, so it is not okay. I basically installed by WP CLI, but for your now install okay, fine, and it is also fine. It is last plugin. Okay, now click on install now. Now our backend is done. Now in the plugin is done. Now for create property post type, first be in the step 3 we create property post type. Keep property listing separate from normal block, post and pages. Create a custom post type named property. So for slug we just put property, for singular we just property, and for plural we also copy from here and put property, and also click on populate so that it will populate all items at here. Okay, and at here it is asking menu icon, so I just search home, and if I want author support at here, then I also check author, but at here we want author support. And in the last show in GraphQL, so put true, and GraphQL single name property, plural name is properties, and click on add property type. Now it is done. We enable post type in GraphQL, use clear GraphQL singular name and plural name. Now each property have its own title, content, image, structure, data. So now in this step 4, add property field with ACF, create only the field your frontend actually need. So for that go to ACF and click on field group. And at here I put property detail. We can put any name, so there is no issue in that. Property detail. Now for price, etc. Put field as price, and we will use lakh etc. also. So there is required input type is text, bedroom, so for bedroom we use input type number, and then bathroom, number, and then area, is number, gallery, gallery, so for gallery we can select image, and if we want gallery type, then we should purchase Pro ACF. So I am selecting image at here, and for next field, map location, so at here I am using immediate. Okay, do not require immediate. I use text area so that we can just directly use that, and then address, use text area, and city, state, country, city, text, state, text, country, also text. And now for post type, go to settings and location rule, and select property. And for GraphQL, you can see property detail. So via access, if we want to access, then we should access via property detail data. Now click on save. Now our field is created. Now step 5 is add sample property data. So for that I am creating 2 properties at here, and let you know. Now we will put some properties. So for that go at here properties and click on add new property, and I already selected one property name, so you can also select, and 100 square feet, and Okay, no issue. Price is 10 lakh and bedroom is it is only plot, so no bedroom etc at here, and it is 100 square feet. And we set property for upload property at here, just putting some property featured image, and click on publish. And also like city Agra and state UP, country India, and address is Bijpuri. We can also put map location. Okay, now first property is created. Now adding second property so that we can move fast. It is 2 BHK 550 square feet independent house for sale in Panwari. So okay, so price is like 7 lakh and 2 bedroom 2 bathroom, area 550 square feet, and we can add some image. Okay, I think I repeated that image. It is, and then address is Panmari Road, and then city Agra, state UP, country India. Okay, and property, yeah, set properties. Okay, as we do not put title, so it is, sorry, yeah, so for enter property name and click on publish. So our property is created. We also set featured image and gallery image, fill in price etc. Keep field name consistent so that we will use in GraphQL queries, and verify the GraphQL data. We already set WordPress data, and now setting checking WP GraphQL, and it will give JSON response which is ready for Next.js. So for check, just go at here and click on GraphQL, and I already checked from in other domains, so it is coming at here. So for that property etc, and just click on add execute query. So it is saying that did you mean property detail, because property details he did not find. So there is two option. If you want, then you can change property details at ACF point, and if you do not want, then you can just change at here property details and click on execute query. Then it will give all data. I also want country at here, then I also add country, then it is giving India at here. So means GraphQL is set from our end. Now we can use inside Next.js. So in the next video we will set up Next.js, create Next.js project, connect Next.js to WordPress GraphQL endpoint, fetch property post type and ACF field, build the first property listing UI, and backend is ready. So now next WordPress is now prepared to act as CMS for our headless property website. And if this video helped, like the video and subscribe for next part. Thanks for watching.